Hey, how are you? Well, I'm gonna to start the this video recording, and this is a last word about the English 3 and elaborated by Andrea Victor Hernandez, my person, for the tutor Angela Lorena Salgado Privar. Eh, I'm gonna talking about what I do in my daily routine. Uh, the part one say a little introduction myself. Well, my name is Andrea Victor Hernandez. I am from Cucuta, Colombia. I am 20 years old. I speak Portuguese, English. Uh, I speak sign language for the people that don't speak any language. And I want to learn French or Italian too. Well, the the third part say talking your work routine. Okay. Well, sorry. Uh, what's your working day like? Well, I think that I like every day, but for the work, the best day is the Monday because all people start to work. Yeah. This all this great day for do a lot of something that I have in my college, has worksheet, activity, participation, for etc. Sunday's great day because I can take 1 or 2 hours for sleep. Oh my god, I so delicious. Or what to read? And what time do you start and finish? Well, I am freelance. They form my time change a lot, but I start 8 a.m. still 9 p.m. I am working with my mom as a cooker twice a week. Sometimes I teach English for children and other people that need something about English. That is my campus of knowledge. Okay, uh, I learn English with Jamaica people because my English have a little mistake. My Chinese has the Jamaican people. On Friday and Sunday I made frozen chicken because my neighbor like I cook. Do you do any break during the day? Yeah, of course. I take a little break of half meal for lunch Sunday lunch chain of mine because my day is very busy. Part two, talking about the free time a bit. Well, when I find free, I like to do a lot of something. Have watched Netflix. Now I have the pros. It's great. I recommend for 2 or 3 hours because I love zero reference to Alien, Hero, DC Comics or Marvel Studio or Science. I like listen to music in English, Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, and other languages. I am very fond of the music of has balada, for example, Living on a Prayer, Totality of the Heart, the old music. Rock, I also like pop, for example, Lady Gaga. Occasionally, I do something for it with my mommy and daddy. I also like to go to outside, for example, travel to their town, small street, etc. Part 3. Talking about the eat habit. Do you like cook? In my case, I cook for sale because I think I cook very delicious, but it's rarely that I cook for my family because when I find free, I just think and relax and say people. I prefer to go another pray for it or three because I like to discoteca between another pray different of my work and my house. Do you eat at the same time every day? No. As I said before, Sunday when I work is very busy. I eat very early or very late. I know that this circumstance is bad for my health. For that, I try with this time. Um, part three, sorry, part four, talking if you are morning person or night owl. What time do you usually get up early or go to sleep? What time do you usually get up early or go to sleep? Well, I think that I am both because sometimes I wake up very early and sometimes I wake up very late. I recognize that I like a person like dance and like discotheques in my city. There are several, but the one that I like a lot much is saying is his name is White Room. In the discotheque, there are three rooms. The first is for Waracha. I like Waracha. The second is for reggaeton. Yeah, and like reggaeton. And the third is a little bar in the bar for the people can live to smoke. Do you find do you find easy to get up early in the morning? Or sensory, I find very horrible get up early because I don't like every day when I get up to maybe I seem very tired. If I return to sleep again, I let like this for almost 30 minutes still I decided to go to the bath. Every day are the same when I get up. I think one of the reasons of this situation because I go to the very late. Sorry, I like to play a game. His name is Street Forces. It's amazing. I recommend. It's about the Avengers. It's so nice. You can fight, kill, and do a lot. It's very funny. I spend in my game almost one or more hour every day by the night. It's rarely the day that I don't play this game because I love it, this game. How much how much sleep do you need every day? I think that I and you need sleep minimum 8 hours for is okay. But big sensory Sunday I just sleep 5 or 6 or 3 hours too. I know that this is very dangerous for me, and when I sleep little hour, I pass a day with be very sleepy. Oh, horrible this day. When I decide to sleep, I pass 10. When I decide to sleep, yeah, I pass 10 or 14 hours sleep, but this is when I find vacation. I use the reference about the daily routine about this in relation in YouTube about the offer. Okay, thank you very much, teacher, my classmate. This is my video about the video recording about what I do in every day. Thank you very much.